Hello and welcome back to oneHOWTO. In today's video, we will learn how to do a street dance choreography. The right foot forward like this and on point. I shift my weight as I turn with the other leg. I move my left arm and collect my right arm. At the same time, I move my right leg backwards. Then, I move my left leg forward and open my arms. I bend my right leg and move my head in a circle 3 times. I shift my weight forward and open my right leg while making this movement with my hand. Then I shift the weight, move my head, stick out my chest and move my pelvis and butt. I slide both hands forward, lowering and raising my head. I raise my left arm and my right leg. Then I step forward with my right leg while crossing my left leg behind me. I open and close my legs again and point with my left arm like this. I spread my legs and move my hips twice in a circle, and I point to the side and then to the head. I stick my chest out and close in a diagonal direction. I come back and do this movement. I step back, raise my arms and turn with my right leg. Then I do a half turn, go to the floor, turn again, open my legs, close them. I support myself with my hands and go up like this. Tips to remember. When we turn, we accompany the movement. When the left leg points forward, the right leg is bent, the back is straight, and the head movement starts from this position. 1, 2, 3. Then I bring the head up and cut with this movement. When I come back, I also use my head. This is also important. It has to be 3 beats: chest, pelvis, butt. Another important tip refers to the part when we are on the ground. I move backwards with my right, and when I move left, the movement should not be too exaggerated. However you do it, it's fine. Then I go down with this part of the leg, not with the knees, but with this part of the leg. And for this movement, it is very important to open the chest like this. And when I sit up, it's also crucial that the feet are not like this, but like this, pointed. I open my chest and I shake my hair as well. Then I put my hands like this and help myself up. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to like this video or to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you next time!